The Laresar 6 Lira Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop, packed with cutting-edge features like auto dirt disposal, max 3,500 PA suction, app control, editable map, lighter navigation, smart mapping, and compatibility with Alexa. The 6 Lira Pro offers an unmatched cleaning experience, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. Let's dive into the details and explore how the 6 Lira Pro can transform your cleaning routine effortlessly. Effortless cleaning with powerful suction. The Laresar 6 Lira Pro is equipped with an impressive suction power of 3,500 PA, ensuring that even the most stubborn pet hair, dirt, and debris are effortlessly collected. Whether it's embedded in carpets or hidden in corners, this robot vacuum can tackle it all. Say goodbye to tedious manual cleaning and let the 6 Lira Pro do the work for you. Intelligent mapping for efficient navigation. Thanks to its advanced lighter navigation smart mapping technology, the 6 Lira Pro creates precise and editable maps of your home. This allows the robot to navigate intelligently, avoiding obstacles and providing thorough coverage of every room. The intelligent mapping system also enables the 6 Lira Pro to create efficient cleaning paths, saving time and ensuring no area is left untouched. Auto dirt disposal for hassle-free maintenance. One of the standout features of the Laresar 6 Lira Pro is its auto dirt disposal system. No more frequent emptying of the dustbin. Once the 6 Lira Pro finishes its cleaning session, it automatically empties the collected dirt into a self-emptying base station. This means less effort on your part and ensures that the vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning task. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.